Hey Anthony, it's Devin again. Thanks for speaking to me on the phone. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily implement so you can start beating Andres Brothers. Because if you type in roofing Lubbock, these guys show up right at the top, and I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to beat them. Now, I know you're probably asking yourself, Devin, why would you even make this video for me? I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. But some people call me back and say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, whoever did your website did an awesome job. I think it's really, really clean. I love the red, white, and blue. It's very patriotic. Nice trust building. Awesome animations the whole way through. Great images, fast loading. Like, this is a killer website. Whoever designed it is a professional, so great job. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, which is all this stuff you can read. And the average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content. So if I take all of your content and I paste it in this word counter here, you can see that you currently have 498 words. So it's not a bad start. If you go to Andres Brothers Roofing, I don't know if they even have that much. I'm going to show you one. I'll show you what they're doing right now. So they only have 191. So by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, but it's also going to give you more room to fit in what's called keywords. Now, a keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So like roofer in Lubbock, for example, 250 people search that every month. Roofing Lubbock, 250 people search that every month. So you want to make sure you have these keywords inside of your content. And you can see you don't have it anywhere inside of your content here. So that's going to help you. I know obviously you have more content than these guys, so I'm going to show you exactly why they're outranking you right now. But this is one thing that will also help you, is making sure you put keywords inside of your content and then save your images as keywords too. So instead of like my project, you can save this as roofing Lubbock. And same with all these other ones, Amarillo. And you can have an Amarillo page and a Lubbock page and try to put those keywords on both those pages. You know, Google loves to see that. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website by linking to your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power with other like roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not selling pizzas. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to pay for this tool. If you go on Google and just type in backlink checker, you can see all this information for free. And it says you currently have 4 websites linking to you, while Andres Brothers has 114 linking to them. So if I were in your shoes, I would go to all 114 of these websites that's linking to Andres, and just like they did, put a link on each website back to your homepage. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like, for example, with Expertise or with Yellow Pages, you just create a free profile, put a link in the profile back to your homepage, and that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's really easy to do. It just takes a bit of time. But if you copy them in backlinks, plus you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you beating them right here organically. My last tip for you is how to become number 1 in the map section. You'll see it's a different person. It's Hartman Roofing. If you want to be number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like GAF, Angie, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I would figure out what directories Hartman Roofing was in. I'd put myself in all of the exact same directories and then add a bunch on top. So if Hartman Roofing was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Anthony. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, beautiful website. You want 1,500 words of content on the homepage, and you want keywords inside of that content, like roofer in Lubbock, roofing Lubbock. Feel free to pause the video and write these down to put them in your content. Then you want to take the websites, go into Andres Brothers, all these ones, and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Hartman Roofing. If you follow these 3 tips, Anthony, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. So I know you're asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, I just recommend you get started as soon as possible, because the less time you wait, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this started, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Anthony. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome day. See ya.